Build business, ShipOwner 558. We mentioned in the previous video about whether it is a government or a private, public, family ship owning company. We are here to build business. We have this huge passion, love for the sea, from surfing, competing in the crew management, recruitment and placement. In the planet today, we have this huge need of making friends and clients, and we have proved many times with LNG how can we do it different, either Spanish flag or 70 years ago being the first ones, flag of convenience, LNGs. Then also we have been the first ones to make the Spanish flag reasonable. We think that now it has no future, but that is because you don't have 177,000 seafarers pushing the line. Yes, Candina is there, the first one, with this huge potential. We also have this America expansion. Why? Because there is wars in Asia, and Asia always has issues because this is mine and this is mine and this is mine and this is mine. Without enjoying life a little bit more, perhaps that's the issue. Also, we have now huge potential in Africa. There is huge potential. We have a huge database of Nigerian officers. Thank you very much indeed. I think it's one of those countries that really will be the forefront of the future innovations to build business. We are building business in the tanker, in the LPG, in the RoPax, in the fast ferries, in the general cargo, in the chemical, in the LNG, in the LPG, in the cruise, all types of ships. We are growing cement, carriers, local solutions. Local, I think, is the tendency that today is one of the biggest one. But the second biggest one is just don't do what others do. You see, but in order to do that, you need to have really courage. For example, French flag, I think is positive. The French, merci beaucoup, is a nice flag that is helping merchant marine, because one owner with one flag like the French helps the others much more, 10 times more. Merci, 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 merci. And there is plenty ways to build more business, so I'm always open to business.